Hi, in this video, we're going to talk about how to value stack. And to learn that, you have to purchase my $10,000 course. Bye. See you in the next video. How you build it? It's funny, right? When people are directly asking you something, it's sometimes funny, sometimes creepy, sometimes annoying, right? So you need to value stack. For example, I have a phone and I want to sell it. So it is now second-hand phone for you. I purchased it for my phone is $1,000 maybe. Let's take a guess. Okay, and I am telling you, ki, hey, just purchase my phone at $1,000 and you will get some value. You will say what? Run. Otherwise, I'll kick you because I can directly purchase the phone at $1,000 as a new phone. Why will I purchase from you? Yeah, because it's second hand. Now, if I can give you some value and value stack it, it will be awesome. Now, let me value stack it for you. Just imagine I am breaking this price in 4 sections. I will say I am a digital marketer. I am running advertisement. I am running business growth things, and I can give you that exact thing inside that phone. Okay. So I have 10 years of experience. Okay. In ads. Okay. Next, I will tell I have 1,000 millionaire contact. Oh, that's valuable. You can just imagine. Okay, $1,000, 1,000 millionaire contact. I am getting a millionaire's contact number at $1 just. Give me, give me, give me. Next, I will tell you that I have done for you template for total funnel. Okay. Then you say, oh, he charged 3-4 thousand for just setup, and he is giving the template directly with that phone. Next, I'll give maybe that 10 courses that I learned from because those access are inside that phone. Now, this is worth how much? 10K maybe. Let's take yearly 1K. It's 10K, 10 years. $10K dollar. This may be, obviously, if I am giving millionaires number, it is $1,000,000. It is maybe, okay, 10 done for you. So if I charge maybe 3,000, so it is $30,000 of value. Then if I purchase this 10 course with maybe $50,000, just guess $50,000, it is now 50K. Now add all of this. This is now huge dollars. But you are getting at 1,000. Is it affordable? Is it valuable? If I just remove one of this, let's remove this one. Is it valuable? If I just remove this one, is it valuable? If I just remove this one, is it valuable? If I just remove this one, is it valuable? Like one of this, is it valuable? So that's how you will feel. Okay, if I just give one also, it is valuable. If I just give two also, it is valuable. If I just give three, it's valuable. If I give four, it's valuable. Then I am telling, okay, just a moment. I will give you 1 month business support 2. Which is charge? Maybe, let's guess, 5K. More value. That's how you are value stacking. That these are the things you are getting. Now you're feeling okay, it's second hand, but the phone is valuable. If I am talking to some business person, okay, but if I am giving it to a child, what I will value stack? It has games of like for example GTA 5 or 6 or what is happening in this moment. I don't know about games so much. GTA, maybe, I don't know the price, maybe let's take 1,000. Now I will give you something like cartoon subscription for 12 months, which is valued like something like this. We should value check something like this. And superhero, maybe 500. Something like this. If I'm selling a kid, oh, this is interesting. Something like this. We need to value stack to people. Now just imagine, I'm selling this phone to a musician, music lover person. Okay, so what they need? They need some, maybe it has huge storage where there are maybe 1,000 plus songs of different type worth maybe 500. Same, maybe it has 2 TB storage, so you can record songs worth maybe 250. Then audio, on an audio enhancer tool, which is like $500. Then a lot of music tool, which is like $1,000. So now it's valuable for that person. Or maybe a law people or doctor. What they will feel valuable? Uh, 100 rules book, stress management, things. This kind of things, you need to place the worth. I cannot explain the worth here because I'm not in this industry. Or doctor. You can say acquisition process, attraction process. This kind of 5, 6 things. And that will be valuable for them. This is how you need to value stack. And people will think, oh, this is valuable for me. You can take screenshot. So this is how you will value stack and people will love you. Yeah, people will love you for your work. Now, you might already have value stacked. You might have some different problems. You ask me in comment section, what is the problem you are facing now? I'll make a video on this topic. It's all about you are asking, then I will tell you. I don't know all this problem you're having. Tell me what niche you are so that I can make some content with that niche and give you value. The value stacking. Okay. See you in the next video. Till the time, just go comment what is the problem you're having in your business. If you want to book a call with me, if you want to talk to me, just comment down and I will give you the link so that we can talk, or you just can message me directly so we can talk. We can understand at what problem you are facing and how to solve that. Okay. See you in the call or see you in the next video. Till the time, please value stack your thing. And okay, comment down your value stack thing, your product, your offer, and value stacking. Okay. See you soon.